prophetic ministry. Baka basiki kawe as prophet. Did you know what the fuck me kube hlatse exam? Did you come and let kawe mfike ngishaya hlatse? So the man kube hlatse me kube kiteke. Baba kube kube kawe no. Yes. Ube no kube kuti jembe mochiwa. Yes. So the man mfike kawe ngishaya hlatse. Yes. Abanye bakamba tuzushuka. Yes. Mfike kube hlatse. Yes. Into sabuskule. Yes. Mama, so fika nje kawe mthanda wakuba nishaya hata sana. Yokimale mthelele hlatse nibuye. Kamanye makama nzothumani shaya hlatse bazalana. Ukhala abantu abazokhuleka. Ayingoba bethanda phakathi kokuphaba ihlatse. Amana la mintata. What am I putting out? What the prophet of God? Aliphiliswa ngejumelo yakhe. But uthoba usithi masiqobe ihlatse. Ndabona i-alert emabindela ebhakini. Kamanye amagama ihlatse sakhe. Ezimotshiwe ihlatse sakhe. Ezimotshiwe ihlatse sakhe. Yes, my prophet. Ucela uvule inhliziyo. Bishop, and tell them shine like a cool. I tell them the east of Basala. Tell them Sabella owns Makaku. Also, Paramisa, under the Bishop Reba. We are Kanda, Kandi, so Paramisa, under the Bishop Reba. So, tell them Sabella. Also, the Makakala, the Rosaki Paka. Baba Father, see the medals understand your power. And God let it believe. And this out of man, Isabella, in close your